Tired of spending hours scrubbing away stubborn grime and dirt, only to feel like your cleaning efforts are never quite enough? Imagine harnessing the power of high-temperature steam to obliterate dirt, grease, and bacteria in seconds, without the need for harsh chemicals. Enter the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy-Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Steamshot, your new secret weapon for tackling the toughest cleaning challenges both inside and outside your home. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive into why the BISSELL Power Steamer stands out as a game-changer for anyone serious about achieving a spotless, sanitized living space. From its powerful steam capabilities to its versatile 3-in-1 functionality, this steam cleaner is designed to make even the most daunting cleaning tasks a breeze. Whether you're sprucing up your garage, detailing your car, or rejuvenating your patio furniture, this powerhouse cleaner is ready to transform the way you clean. Ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine? Let's explore what makes the BISSELL Power Steamer a must-have for every household. The first impression of the BISSELL Power Steamer is its robust build quality and sleek black design. This steam cleaner is constructed to withstand heavy-duty use, making it suitable for both home and professional environments. Its ergonomic design, featuring a swivel head, ensures easy maneuverability around tight spaces and corners, while the upright configuration makes it convenient for extended cleaning sessions. One of the most impressive aspects of the BISSELL Power Steamer is its powerful, high-temperature steam. This steam cleaner can blast away dirt, grime, grease, stains, and even mold from a wide variety of surfaces. Whether you're cleaning the garage, workshop, interior and exterior vehicles, boats, or recreational vehicles, the BISSELL Power Steamer delivers outstanding results. It's also perfect for outdoor use, such as cleaning patio furniture and decks. The steam cleaner offers a cleaning path width of 13 inches, which covers a large area with each pass, making the cleaning process more efficient. The high temperature of the steam ensures that it not only cleans but also sanitizes surfaces by eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria, all without the need for harsh chemicals. The BISSELL Power Steamer is incredibly versatile, functioning as a 3-in-1 heavy-duty multi-purpose steam cleaner. It can transform from an upright steam mop to an extended reach steam cleaner and a handheld steam cleaner. This flexibility allows you to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. The extended reach mode is perfect for cleaning high or hard-to-reach areas, while the handheld mode is ideal for detailed cleaning tasks such as grout lines, kitchen appliances, and bathroom fixtures. The BISSELL Power Steamer offers variable steam modes, allowing you to adjust the intensity and amount of steam being released. This feature is particularly useful for different types of cleaning tasks, from light surface cleaning to tackling stubborn, stuck-on messes. The on-demand steam trigger provides you with complete control over the steam output, ensuring you use just the right amount of steam for each job. Storage is made easy with the included wall mount, allowing you to keep the steam cleaner conveniently stored and readily accessible. On-board accessory storage means you can carry all necessary tools and attachments with you as you clean, avoiding the hassle of constantly searching for the right accessory. The BISSELL Power Steamer comes with a comprehensive set of 29 accessories designed to tackle tough messes both indoors and outdoors. These accessories include a variety of brushes, nozzles, and extension tools that can be used with both the extended reach steam cleaner and the handheld steam cleaner. This extensive range of tools ensures you have the right attachment for every cleaning task, whether you're scrubbing grout, cleaning windows, or detailing your car. The BISSELL Power Steamer excels on a wide range of surfaces. For sealed hard floors, it effectively lifts and removes dirt and grime, leaving your floors spotless and sanitized. In the garage or workshop, it effortlessly cuts through grease and oil stains on concrete floors and workbenches. When used on vehicles, it cleans upholstery, dashboards, and even engine components with ease. For outdoor cleaning, the BISSELL Power Steamer is a game changer. It rejuvenates patio furniture, removes mold and mildew from decks, and even cleans windows, making it an all-in-one solution for your toughest cleaning challenges. One of the key benefits of the BISSELL Power Steamer is its chemical-free cleaning capability. Using only water to generate steam provides a safe and eco-friendly way to clean and sanitize your home. This is particularly beneficial for households with children and pets, as it eliminates the risk of chemical exposure. Users of the BISSELL Power Steamer have praised its powerful steam output, versatility, and ease of use. Many have highlighted its effectiveness in removing tough stains and grime, and the convenience of having multiple cleaning modes in one device. The wide range of accessories is also a significant advantage, allowing users to tackle various cleaning tasks without needing additional tools. Final thoughts. The BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy-Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and Handheld Steamshot is a highly versatile and powerful cleaning tool that stands out for its robust performance and adaptability. Whether you're looking to deep clean your home, garage, or outdoor spaces, this steam cleaner is up to the task. Its ability to switch between an upright mop, extended reach cleaner, and handheld unit makes it a valuable addition to any cleaning arsenal. With the BISSELL Power Steamer, you can achieve a deep, chemical-free clean across a wide variety of surfaces, ensuring your home and surroundings are spotless and sanitized. If you're in the market for a reliable, heavy-duty steam cleaner, the BISSELL Power Steamer is an excellent choice that delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.